If you work with Excel regularly, you already know the pain. Copying data, cleaning rows, renaming columns, exporting reports, repeating the same steps every day. Robocorp lets you automate all of that using Python without needing to be an Excel expert or automation engineer. In this tutorial, you will learn what Excel automation actually means, how Robocorp interacts with Excel, a simple real-world example, and what you can automate safely as a beginner. Now, let's start with how Robocorp works with Excel. Robocorp doesn't hack Excel. It simply opens Excel files, reads data, edits cells, saves results. Think of it as a robot that follows Excel instructions faster than you, right? Now, what Excel tasks are best to automate? Start with boring, repetitive tasks, not complex logic, like reading rows and columns, cleaning empty cells, renaming headers, sorting data, exporting new Excel files, converting Excel to CSV. Avoid at first heavy formulas, macros, or multi-sheet logic. Right? Let's say you have an Excel file with names and emails. Right, let me demonstrate that. Okay, so let me go ahead to my sheet and download a file, random file, just to show you how it would look like. Let's say I'm gonna take this file, right? So I'm gonna go inside, right, and head the file at the top and save it. Where is the save? Yeah, hold on. Yeah, download. I'm gonna save it as an Excel. And let's say you have a Excel file with names and emails, some empty rows, inconsistent formatting. Your robot can open the Excel file, read each row, removes empty rows, save, clean, version. That's it. No AI, no magic, it's just automation, right? So why this is powerful? Once you automate one Excel task, you can reuse it forever. You reduce human errors, you save hours over time, and most importantly, you stop dreading Excel work. So what you're gonna do, go ahead to the document automation on the left-hand menu, and you can extract data, right? Or from invoice PDF files, right? You can see right here, PDF, Excel, sheets, and etc. Right? And you're gonna try it out with this. Hit import, and it's gonna take you to the control room. Select your organization name and workspace name. Hit next, and press import process. Right, and as it say right here, error while creating a process limited. So let me go inside the workshop to show you just that demonstration. If you can get through the step that I just went or just the step that I was in, then you're gonna be able to see your AI like this, right? Now what you're gonna do, simply hit run process and press the second option, run with input data, and you're gonna add key and value and add the file, in our case the sheet file with contact, right? And you're gonna run the process by hitting run process after you added the key and value. In my case, this is a different robot, so it's not the same as the extracting data. So if you get through the step that I was in, then you're gonna be able to see dashboard just like this. Just go ahead and run the process just like I told you, right? Important note, right? Robocorp offers free local automation, cloud execution, orchestration, and scaling may require a pay plan. For learning in personal automation, free tier is enough. Excel automation is the gateway drug to automation. Once you automate one spreadsheet, you will start seeing automation opportunities everywhere. And basically, that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.